Hello dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to do applications of derivative. In previous video we did applications of derivative exercise 2.1. We have completed all questions in that video. In this video we are going to do increasing and decreasing functions. So in a very short I am going to explain what are the increasing and decreasing functions and how we solve the questions on increasing and decreasing function. So in a very short we will do what are increasing function. So here I have drawn the graph of function y is equal to fx. Here you will observe that the graph of function is sloping upward, therefore it is a increasing function. Or you will take any two points x1 and x2. यहाँ पे x1 लेस दैन x2 है, लेकिन f of x1 ये है f of x2 है. So you will observe that f of x2 is more greater than f of x1. मतलब x1 less than x2, fx1 is less than fx2. So the function is what? Increasing function. Or in another way, suppose we consider ये हमने particular case consider किया है, that is a non-linear function. So ये non-linear function का ग्राफ लिया है हमने. तो इसमें suppose we have drawn tangent at this point. So this tangent will make an inclination, that is theta, and that theta is an acute angle. Slope of this tangent is nothing but, see, slope of this tangent is nothing but tan of theta. Now as this theta is an acute angle, so clearly tan of acute angle is positive, so that means tan theta is positive, and tan theta is nothing but slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but derivative of the function. So f dash of x is slope of tangent and it is greater than 0. So if the function is increasing, f dash of x is greater than 0. Look at this another function which is decreasing function. ये decreasing function, इसका ग्राफ आप देख सकते हैं. So it is sloping downward. x1 and x2 are 2 points, x1 less than x2. Here x1 less than x2. So this is what fx1. fx1 is more greater than fx2. So fx1 is greater than fx2. fx1 is greater than fx2 where x1 is less than x2. मतलब उल्टा होता है. Now if we draw a tangent, see this is a particular case, that means we have considered non-linear function. तो ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया हमने. So tangent to this curve at this point we have drawn. So clearly this tangent is making an inclination theta which is a obtuse angle. So tan of this obtuse angle will be what? Negative. That means slope of tangent is nothing but tan theta and which is negative. But slope of tangent is nothing but derivative f dash of x. So f dash of x will become negative. Here f dash of x becomes positive. So this function is increasing function, f dash of x is greater than 0. The function is decreasing, f dash of x is less than 0. So this is what in short we did. What are the increasing and decreasing functions? Here you should note that f dash of x is greater than 0, then the function is monotonically or strictly increasing. Here f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0, then the function is increasing. F dash of x is less than 0, then the function is monotonically decreasing or strictly decreasing. F dash of x is less than or equal to 0, the function is decreasing only. Here monotonically, this word, that is strictly. F dash of x is greater than 0, then it is strictly increasing. Here f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0, the function is increasing. F dash of x is less than 0, the function is monotonically decreasing. Here the function f dash of x is less than or equal to 0, the function is decreasing. So on basis of this we are going to solve problems on this exercise. We will do the first question. We have to test whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Fx is equal to, see exercise 2.4, question number 1, we will test that the function is increasing or decreasing. given function is this fx is equal to x cube 6x square 12x minus 16 where x is belonging to r. So we find derivative of this function. So f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 12. Taking 3 common from here, x square minus 4x plus 4. Here 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Now as our x is belonging to r, x is a real number. So x minus 2 clearly is a real number. So this can be, see this x may be equal to 0 or may not be equal to 0. If it is, sorry, x is equal to 2 or not equal to 2. So accordingly, this may be 0. If it is 2, then 0. So, but square of any real number, x minus 2 is a real number. So its square will be what? Always positive. So we can put here greater than or equal to sign. Because this x minus 2, that is x minus 2 is a real number, as x is real number. So its square is always positive. So it is greater than 0 or equal to 0. That means our function fx is increasing function. Increasing function. Our function fx is what? Increasing function. Second sub question, fx is 2 minus 3x square minus x cube where x is belonging to r. So you have to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing. What is f dash of x? It is minus 3 minus 6x minus 3x square. So we are taking minus 3 common from here. So if we take minus 3 common, it is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 x plus 1 whole square it is x square 2x plus 1 x plus 1 whole square or x is belonging to r. So x plus 1 is also real number and its square will be what? Always positive. Square of any real number is positive, but it is multiplied by minus 3, so it will be clearly negative. So as our x is belonging to r, therefore x plus 1 whole square is greater than 0, but minus 3 is multiplied, therefore f dash of x is equal to minus 3 into x plus 1 whole square is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. That means, what did you infer when the function f dash of x is less than or equal to 0? See, f dash of x is less than or equal to 0 means what? The function is decreasing function. Decreasing function. This function is what? Decreasing function. Third question, fx is equal to x minus 1 by x where x is belonging to r but x is not equal to 0. So we find first derivative f dash of x, which is 1. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square and this minus will be plus 1 upon x square. So for x is not equal to 0, so this function is defined here 1 upon x square. So 1 upon x square is what? Positive. For any real number x, it is positive. That means f dash of x, and this will not reduce to 0. So f dash of x, it is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x square and it is greater than, strictly greater than 0. Therefore the function is monotonically increasing. So fx is monotonically increasing function. It is monotonically increasing function. Question number 2, find x. The function is strictly increasing. Here the function is strictly increasing. For what value of x, that is to be find out. See, the given function is this fx is equal to 2x cube 3x square 12x plus 6. We differentiate it with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 6x minus 12. Here we take 6 common from here, x square minus x minus 2. Factors of this x minus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors. So f dash of x is strictly increasing. Now as it is strictly increasing, so it is greater than 0. Fx is strictly increasing. Therefore f dash of x is greater than 0. F dash of x is greater than 0. That means 6 into x minus 2 x plus 1 is greater than 0. That is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is greater than 0. Now here either both are positive or both are negative. इसमें से दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव, दोनों नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव. So suppose we take the case 1. X minus 2 is positive, x plus 1 is also positive, both are positive. That means x is greater than 2, x is greater than minus 1. Greatest number से greater है इसका मतलब that is greater than what, smaller number also. So we mark this x is greater than 2. So write here that is x is greater than 2. Here case 2, both are negative, then also the product is positive. X minus 2 is negative and x plus 1 is also negative. That means x is less than 2 and x is less than minus 1. Smallest number से less than है इसका मतलब वो greater number से भी less है. So we consider this x is, that is x is less than minus 1. So we are, our answer will be what? X is less than minus 1 and x is greater than 2. That means we can write here together, we can write it as x is less than minus 1 minus infinity, or means union x is greater than 2. That means it is greater than this 2. So x lies in x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 2. So this is possible that x is either less than minus 1 or x is greater than 2. So in another way we can do this. See what in another way we can do. We have two values, that is 1 and minus 1 and 2. So we mark here minus 1 and 2. Here is minus 1, 2. This is minus 1 to infinity and 2 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So we mark here, we are getting two values of x, minus 1 and 2, minus 1 and 2. So minus infinity to minus 1, 2 to infinity. And this is our f dash of x. So if f dash of x, see we can do this question for both, that is for strictly increasing as well as strictly decreasing. Here the function is increasing when this is greater than 0. For greater than 0 both should be positive or both should be negative. Suppose we take here less than minus 1 or x is less than minus 1. For example, we are taking minus 2. And if you put x is equals to minus 2 over here, this gives minus 4 and here it is minus 1. So this gives what? If we take for example less than minus 1 value, x is equal to minus 2. अगर minus 2 लिया तो यहाँ पे आएगा minus 2 minus 4 और ये minus 2 and plus 1 is minus 1 and this is what 6. So clearly we are getting positive value. So यहाँ पे इस interval में positive value है. So we are getting dash of x is positive here. अगर आपका x greater than 2 है, see for x is greater than 2, see suppose 3, we are taking 3, यहाँ पे 3 लिया हमने, so 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, that means we are getting 6 into, for example we are taking x is equal to 3, that is x is greater than 3, so 3 minus 2 that is 1 and 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 into 4, clearly it is positive. So f dash of x is what? Positive here. Here f dash of x is positive, greater than 0. Here f dash of x is greater than 0. That means for minus infinity to minus 1 and 2 to infinity, this f dash of x takes positive value. That means the function is increasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 1 and 2 to infinity. Now let's see what happened in this interval. -1 to 2, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द सेम क्वेश्चन बट फॉर डिक्रीजिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. सो फॉर डिक्रीजिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन द इंटरवल -1 to 2. -1 और 2 के बीच में समझो पॉइंट लेते हैं हम. हियर वी टेक पॉइंट 1, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 if you take, so 1 minus 2 will be 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 we are taking 1 plus 1 that is 2. So this is what? Negative sign. That means f dash of ये interval में, in this interval f dash of x is negative. That means the function is decreasing. That means the function is decreasing, fx is decreasing in the interval, open interval 1 to 2. This function, same function is decreasing in the interval -1 to 2, open interval -1 to 2, and it is increasing in the interval, in this interval, that is the function is decreasing in this interval and it is increasing in the interval x is belonging to minus infinity to minus 1 union to infinity. Dear students, in this video we have started increasing and decreasing function, that is the introduction of increasing and decreasing function, and 4 questions on that is exercise 2.4. We continue in the next video increasing and decreasing function. Thank you for watching this video.